Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about swapping variables in Python. In Python, we can swap variables once they have been assigned to object. So let's say a simple example. So we have a variable and b, and we are going to set some values. This will be 50 and 100. Then you a b, and we are just going to swap those values. Will be b and a, and now we can print the value of a, b. A is, and we just gonna print the value of a, and that's the same way we are going to print the value of b. Now we can run the script and we can see the value are swapped. Now we can use XOR, exclusive OR operator, to swap variable. This is a three-step method. So we are going to swap the value of x and y. So for example, we have x value set to 10 and y's value set to 20. This will be our first step. We're going to do x. We are going to XOR y, and then at step 2 we're going to do y XOR with x, and the last step, third one, this will be x, this XOR with the value of y, and then we're just gonna print those values. X is and same way we're gonna print for y. We can run our script. So we can see the values are swapped. Initially x has the value of 10 and y 20, and after XOR we have x is 20 and y is 10. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.